We are now in WROCLAW. This is the view from our hotel. Long drive. So we are now in another city in Poland. It's called Wrocław. We had a really long drive yesterday, and we just had breakfast like what you saw earlier. And ito yung pastry na gustong-gusto ni Rod. Anna is having it now. Ito yung pinili namin kasi attracted kay Anna ba. May mga sprinkles and then walang fillings sa loob. So it's good. So maglalakad-lakad na naman kami. Going to a bridge, Dodong?
Chumski.
Yeah, we're going to a bridge na don't even try na lang, Papa.
Chumski.
So, mga snippets lang talaga yung nakikita nyo sa aming mga vlog, no? Irritable na. So we're just walking on the bridge and towards another bridge. This city has a lot of bridges. So, tingnan nyo naman yung view dyan, guys. Oh, ang ganda, no? Papunta kami sa isang bridge pero hindi pala ito yung bridge na dapat namin puntahan. Iba yung navigation na. Iba yung bridge na ano niyo sa navigation. Pero tingnan nyo, maraming love locks, oh. Mga love locks dyan. Ayan. So, this city pala has, or this place has a lot of islands connected by bridges. So, marami kang bridges na pwedeng daanan dito. And also, there are so many dwarves. It's said that maybe there are over 400 dwarves. So, isa sa mga attractions dito, kung gusto mo, maghanap ka ng mga dwarves sa Wrocław. Cute naman ang ng story. It's a nice story.
Next day.
Hello guys, ngayon? Thursday and it's our last full day in Wrocław. Nasa isang aqua park kami sa isang pool, swimming pool. So si Ruth and Anna andun, hindi ko alam kung saan sila ngayon. But ako nag-chill lang ako dito. So wala kaming fix na plano na bisitahin. Ano lang, after here magla-lunch kami, tapos mapapahinga, tapos magmamassage ako later, and then mag-rest na kami, mag-pack na ako, tapos uwi na kami bukas. So sobrang busy, sobrang saya, but at the same time a little bit stressful yung aming bakasyon dahil first time nga namin magbiyahe na si Ana lang, kami lang tatlo. So pero maraming lessons learned, and then masaya din. Masaya. So I look forward to our next family trip. Pero sa ngayon, i-enjoy muna namin ang last few hours ng aming bakasyon. So maraming salamat sa panonood sa aming vlogs, and I hope you're all having a nice day or a nice time. Ingat kayong lahat. Maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. Mush mush babush.
En de papa toe?
Ja, kapoy na.
High five. Not as one as in cacao.
Blah blah. He's watering the plant.
Yeah.
Anna, say hi to Oma, Opa. Hallo. Hallo, Oma. Hallo, Opa.
Anna, oma? Zeg hallo oma. Kijk oma daar.
Oma, hier, Oma. Anna.
Anna, kijk
Oma
eens
is hier.
Oma, kijk eens hallo oma.
Hi, Oma. Oh.